Hello guys, welcome to BDD with Cucumber Session 7. In today's session, you can learn what is extend report all about, what are the steps or prerequisite required to generate proper extend report using Cucumber and JUnit, how we can maintain backup of all generated report in Cucumber. So in previous videos you already seen, right, how we can generate a report with the default dependency added in the pom.xml file, and how we can generate report in HTML, JSON, XML and JUnit format. But sometimes this report might not be appropriate to share with respective stakeholder, as demand or ask from their side is to present complete exhaustive report with proper graphs, pie chart and with more granular details. So that is the reason, right, whatever report you are generating with HTML, JSON, XML or JUnit format might not be appropriate. So to overcome this, you can take the advantage of extend report. Whereas extend report is a powerful open source library used in testing automation framework for generating beautiful and user friendly HTML report. It allows the user to customize the report template by using custom CSS, JSON or XML. It can integrate with almost all the major testing framework like JUnit, TestNG, etc. Extend report are HTML based document that can carry detailed information about the test executed along with custom logs, screenshot and use a pie chart to represent an overview of the test, right? How many scenario executed, how many features executed, what is the status, whether it is a pass, fail, right, and what are the different steps executed. You can get the complete, right, pictorial presentation of the report. So extend report cannot directly integrate with the Cucumber framework. However, in case user want to generate extend report for their Cucumber features, user will need to use some adapter plugin. Additionally, this plugin will allow the extend report to recognize and capture scenarios and features present in the framework. It is where the Grasshopper Cucumber adapter plugin comes into the picture. The plugin is built on the top of extend report and allows user to quickly generate extend report for their Cucumber network framework. Moreover, this plugin helps in reducing the pain of implementing the reporting in user framework. So this is all about the extend report. So with the help of extend report, right, you can generate, right, beautiful HTML report, and then that report can be presented to the respective stakeholder and they will be happy to know how many test cases, test scenario, features has been executed, and right, what is the different steps also executed, and this will give more complete pictures for their analysis, right, or future reference. So that is the reason extend report is very powerful in the market. So what are the steps we need to follow to generate extend report using Cucumber and JUnit? So first we need to add Grasshopper extend report adapter plugin to the Maven project, whatever you already created. So this is the project, right, Maven project we already created here, right? Source main Java, source test Java, where we created the features package. In the features package there are multiple features file available. In the step definition file, right, we have created the or maybe the defined the undefined steps, right? This is the Java class created, and here in the test runner class, so we have created the runner class, right, through which we are running our test based on the features, based on the step definition file and based on the different plugin added, right? And if you open the pom.xml file, so we already added, right, the dependency for Cucumber Java, Cucumber Core, Selenium Java, Cucumber HTML, Cucumber JVM Depths, Cucumber Jarkin, right, and Cucumber JUnit, right? along with cucumber pico container. So this is the dependency already added, so this will be required to generate your extend report. Apart from that, you would require these two dependency to be added in your pom.xml file. One is grasshopper extend report adapter plugin, and second one is extend report library. So first you need to go to the mavenrepository.com to add the grasshopper extend report. So you can go to the mavenrepository.com, right, and here you can search with in the search box you can type extend report. Okay, if you search with the extend report, and if you press search button here, so you will be finding that latest grasshopper extend report adapter plugin. So now the latest version 7 is available, right? So you need to open that one, extend report cucumber 7 adapter plugin, and you can take any version. So I will be taking here version 1.2.0, and after that, after opening it, right, you can see this Maven dependency is there, right? The group ID is take.grasshopper and the extend report cucumber, and version is 1.2.0. So you need to copy it and you need to paste it here, okay, in the pom.xml file in the dependency section. So this is the thing you need to add first. So I already added it. After that, you need to add extend report library to your project. So again, you need to navigate to the mavenrepository.com and you need to type here extend-pdf-report. Okay, extend-pdf-report. You can type here extend-pdf-report and you can search. Once you search, you will be getting that extend PDF reporter thing. You need to open it, and after that you need to take the any version. You can take that version 2.1.0. So you need to click on that and you need to just update the dependency in your pom.xml file. So your group ID is again take.grasshopper and the artifact ID is extend-pdf-report and version is 2.1.0. So I already added it, that dependency, to my maven pom.xml file. Okay, once these two things is added, just you can press save, so that your project will be saved, your all the dependency will be saved in your in your project. Okay, this is the two dependency you need to add, right, to generate the extend report. The next one is that you need to create a file name extend.properties in the same folder where features file were located. I mean in the same folder means in the same path in the src test java folder, not the features folder, but that not the features package, but the folder src test /java, src/test/java. You will right click here, you need to click on the new and you need to click on the other and you need to select file here, right? After if you click on the next, so you need to give the name of the file as extend.properties, properties, extend.properties, TIES, exactly it should be there, extend.properties, all will be lowercase, right? After that you can click on the finish button. So extend.properties file will be added to your src/test/java folder, right? After that, right, you need to add the following lines of code to your file, where extend.reporter.spark.start will be true, and then extend.reporter.spark.output will be that folder name where you want to generate it, right? And this is your HTML file name. So that's the lines of code you can add in that particular file. So just I will be adding it from here. So this is the two line of code you need to add. One is extend.reporter.spark.start, so it will be started, right? Extend report of the Spark report will be started, generated, and then extend.reporter.spark output. This is the right. I want to generate in the target folder, so that is the reason I am giving it target, and then automation -report.html will be my report name. So that is the thing you need to give, and you need to press save. So this is your third step. After adding the two dependency like grasshopper extend report adapter plugin and the extend report library dependency, then third is you need to create a extend.properties file in the src test java folder. Okay. And you need to create a extend.properties file where you need to just add these two lines of code. Extend.reporter.spark.start equal to true, and extend.reporter.spark.output folder will be target folder I want to generate, and this will be my file name, automation-reporter.html. Now you need to go to the test runner Java class, right? This is my runner class I have created, and here my plugin pretty is already there. Here you need to add the relevant plugin, right, which is com.advanced.extend.report.cucumber.adapter.extend cucumber adapter : that's the thing you need to add it. So I will be adding this thing here after comma after pretty in the plugin section. So that is the thing I have added. Okay. Now you need to save your code, right, in the features in the runner class with run option cucumber.class, then cucumber options where we are providing the features, means that particular features file location, src test java and the features, so it will execute all the features file and features and the scenario, and the step definition files we are providing in the glue, and the plugin along with pretty I am adding that one which is relevant to the extend report, right. Monochrome will be there, okay, and the publish will be true. Okay, so here I am not using any tag, that is the reason I have just commented the tags. If you want to add the tag you can also do it, right. So this is the fourth thing I already did. So this is the fourth prerequisite I already added. Now you can run, right, once the configured setup is done, you can run your runner class with the help of JUnit test, and so that whatever features and whatever scenarios available in all the features file, it will be executed and it will generate the details in the console, and the extend report will be also generated in the path wherever we have mentioned, right, the target folder. So now you can see it will take some time because we are trying to implement the extend report, right. So if you expand that JUnit report, you could see the Facebook login, this is the features executed and the 4 scenario got executed, and now, right, another features Google search homepage, so from both the packages, right, where 2 4 scenario is there, right, and here in the other 2 scenarios be there, so that is the way it is getting executed. Now if you go to the consoles, you will able to see the result for each and every scenario. This is the tag used, this is the scenario outline, right, and this is the features file it is taking consider the given when then condition, and right, the another feature and another scenario, and like these are the total 6 scenario is getting executed, right, from 2 features file. Okay, so that's why you can get the console. Okay, and here in the JUnit sections you can get the details, right, what are the features and what are the specific scenario, what are the features and what are the specific scenario executed, right. So here total 6 out of 6 got executed, means 6 scenario executed. Now, so this is the scenario is executed fine, all are passed here, and the console you are able to get the details of the scenario, what is the scenario, what is the given, when then condition is getting executed. Now we want to get the details of the report, right. So you want to select that that project, you need to press a press button. So immediately you could see that target folder automation report.html, right, the file is getting generated because extend report section we have given that path, right, target folder and then automation-report.html file. So if you just right click and go to the properties, so you will be getting a path here, right. So you can take the path and you can open in any of the browser, so you can get the details extend report whatever is generated with the help of cucumber. Now you can see here the 3 different sections. The first one is the test section, so this is your features. The first one is the login feature, it will come based on the alphabetical order, features will come. If you select here and if you click on the pass button, right, you could see here in the section, right, this is the scenario got executed. So this is the features, it will come based on the alphabetical order. Similarly, the scenario also come displayed in that extend report in the alphabetical order, right. So you could see the Facebook login, this is your features, right? Start time and end time 3/12/2022, the today's date, and 4:55 it started, and 4:55 0 it's got completed, right? So this is the total number of times it's elapsed, means 702 millisecond, even less than 1 second, right? This is the test case ID. Now if you click on the pass here, you could see these are the 4 different scenario got executed, right? To check the login functionality for the Facebook site. So like 4 set of data variation was there, right? If you expand each and everything, you can get to know that the first one, username 1 and password 1, so it is successful. For the second one, right, username 2 and password 1, so it is unsuccessful. So you can expand it, or you can just freeze them. For the third scenario, username 2, password 2, it's successful, and you can freeze them again. You can go to the fourth scenario, you can validate that, right, username 2 and the password 2, so it is the unsuccessful. So that's why you can validate the details here, right? So you can see this is unsuccessful. And what is the time for the scenario level, in the features level, okay, total start time and end time. Now if you go to the next features, you can see here that this is the time and this is the total number of elapsed time, right? So here start time was 4:55 06, and the end time is also 06. Total number of time is elapsed 273 millisecond, right? And in the particular feature, we had two scenario executed. So first one is the search cucumber tutorial in the Google page. You can see the Google home page open, search text box enable disabled. We are entering with the course name called cucumber tutorial, hitting enter button, then the cucumber related thing will be displayed, right? Now if you click on that second scenario, right, for the Java tutorial, you can get the details here. So Google home page open, search text box will be visible. You will be searching with the keyword called Java tutorial, hitting the enter button, and all the Java related details will be displayed. So that's why from the first thing, right, this is called test, and you can get the test means the features and the corresponding details of the scenario, and you can get to know what is the scenario status of the pass or fail, what are the different steps executed, what is the start time to start that particular feature, what is the end time, total is the elapsed time, like that, right? Now if you click on the second option, right, it will give you the category, right, whatever tag it was there, and based on the tag, right, how many scenario got executed. So based on the E2E tag, right, so here how many E2E tag was there, so you need to open that both the features file, right? So in the Google search features file, E2E tag was there for one scenario, right? In the Facebook login feature file, E2E tag was there for two scenario. So 3 scenario was executed based on the tag, right? You could see here, right, the cucumber tutorial search and the other Google search, right, based on the E2E tag. And for the UAT tag, so you can verify it here from the UAT tag. These are the 2 scenario executed from that Facebook login features file, right? You could see here, and if you click here, you can go back again that there directly, right? So that's why there is a link, right? Similarly, with the help of smoke tag, you can see here the 3 test cases executed. With the help of regression tag, 3 test cases executed. With the help of integration tag, only 1 test case got executed, which is in Java tutorial, right? So here no integration tag was there, but in the Google search features file, there is integration tag was available for that particular scenario, which is like searching the Java tutorial in the Google home page. So that's why you can get it, right? Again, if you go here directly, you can see the different number of steps available. So okay, that is the link, right? Okay, so this is the link here, this is the link, and this is the scenario. And for each and every category or the tag, you can see here total number of tag available is 5 here. So whatever tag, total number of tag you have given in your feature level or your scenario level, you can get to know, right? And for each and every tag, how many scenario executed, you can get it. And if you click on that link, it will directly going to the scenario definition, right, where you can get to know the different steps executed, given, when, and then. This is the second. The first option, it will give you test. Second option, it will give you the category or the tag, and third option in the left and right, you can get the details result. If you click it here, you can see here, right, what is the date, March 12, 2022. This is your start time for all the scenario run, right? This is your end time, and how many features has been executed, you can get to know how many features has been failed, passed, right? And in the features level also, right, for each and every features, right, you can get the pie chart here total number of features passed, total number of failed, skipped and others, and scenario level you could see here total number of 6 scenario passed. In case of failure, right, it will be in the maybe red sign, right, and here how many steps has been executed for the total 6 scenario. You can get the details here, right, and you can see total number of times line is even less than 1 second. And now here also you can get the different tags, right, for the E2E tags, right, 3 test cases executed and the all are passed, so pass percentage 100%. For the UAT tag, right, 2 test cases executed and 2 passed, so for percentage is 100%. For the smoke tag, right, 3 test cases executed and 100%. For the regression tag 100%, and for the integration tag 100%, right. Now say here in the features file, right, in the runner class I will be including the tag, right. So I want to run based on the UAT tag. So what will happen, right, it will again run based on the tag, or we can update something in the runner class, and based on the defined latest update part, right, your runner class will be updated and it will try to execute the test cases or scenario or the features based on the settings you are doing it. So based on the tag now UAT available, it will try to identify scenario from the both the features file, and based on the identified scenario it will try to execute the different features and the corresponding scenario. Now in the UAT tag, right, here only the UAT tag is matching here with that Facebook login features file, and this is the 2 scenarios getting executed. But for the Google search there is no UAT tag available. So that is the reason if you go to the runner class you can see here the Facebook login, this is the feature and this is the 2 test cases executed, right. And here if you go to the console, right, you could see for the UAT tag these 2 scenario got executed, right, only 2 scenario got executed. Now you could see that if you refresh it, right, if you refresh your project, so extend report will be generated in the same file, in the same path, target path, and this is the file, right. So your previous one is getting removed or deleted. So in case you are updating in multiple time, your previous one will be getting deleted and latest one will be replaced with the previous. Latest one will try to replace all the previous one. Only you will able to store only one thing, right. And now if you just same path is got generated. Now if you refresh again, try to refresh it, right, you could see here only one feature got executed, right, Facebook login, and for that features you could see, right, this is the start time got changed 5:04:15 p.m. right, and this is 5:04:16 p.m. Total number of times taken is 329 millisecond. If you expand it, you could see here this is a scenario and this is the total two scenario got executed. If you click here, you could see for the username and password name 2 it's successful, and for the username 2 password 3 it's got unsuccessful. So it is coming based on your features file definition, right. Username 2 password no successful, username 2 password 3 unsuccessful based on the tag. So your original report is getting replaced, right, and you can see here the regression tag, because here also for those 2 scenarios both the tag was available, so it is considering both the tag, though we have added the UAT tag, but still because the same scenario is getting executed, one tag is already added but other tags also associated for the same scenario, that is the reason 2 tag is coming here in the category section. For the regression tag 2, test case and UAT tag 2, okay. Even if you go to the summary here, start time, end time, how many features executed, 1 features no failed, 1 feature passed, 2 scenario passed, and total number of 6 steps got executed, right. Here given when and then in the 2 scenario total 6 steps got executed, and time taken is only 329 millisecond. So that is the reason you could see here 329 millisecond total timeline, okay. And if here also you can get the regression tag 2 test case passed, UAT tag 2 test case passed. So there is no failure, but your original report is getting replaced with the new one, okay. So that is the one drawback. So we are able to generate the report, extend report which is more detailed report and can be easily shared to the respective stakeholder, where we can provide the information that how many scenario, right, what is the under which features, what are the different scenarios getting executed, what is the pass condition, fail condition, what is the different step is getting executed, what are the different category wise execution, and it is overall the pie chart, right, on the step level and the scenario level and as well as the features level, total number of elapsed time also you can able to produce, right, and can be shared to the respective stakeholder. But In case you want to generate multiple report, your original report is getting replaced with the newest one. So how can you handle this thing? How can you maintain backup of all the reports? So as of now, we have learned how user can generate an extend report in Cucumber JUnit. But in case of multiple times execution, it will keep on overriding the previous report once the new report creates. So usually user need to maintain the backup of all the reports generated from the previous test. Hence, user need to save each report with a different report name or the folder name. So with the extend reporter plugin adapter, it's pretty easy to create report in different folder names. User need to add two settings to their extend.properties file. One is the base folder.name and another is the base folder.date time pattern. The values assigned to this will merge to create a new folder name. Consequently, a report will generate inside that. The value of the base folder dot date time pattern should be a valid date time format. So this is the two things you need to add it here. One is the base folder name, which folder you want to generate, and this is the format here, right? The target folder, and you can give the extend format, and it will be added with the date time pattern where you can give DD, triple means the month, then YY, hour, minute, second. So it will be unique in nature. So that, right, how many times you want to generate the report, it will be there in the system. So you can get the report at any point of time. In case you generated 10 reports, you can get 10 folder here. So these are the thing you need to add it in your extend.properties file. Okay. Now I can remove that one. Okay, target folder, because anyway in the target folder additional thing extend report folder will be getting generated, and where we will be just generating that every time automation -report.html file. Okay, and the extension will be added, right? In the target folder, extend folder will be created with the extension that that one dd YY millimeter second. Now let's try to run first with the tag UAT tag. And let's see what the difference is happening. So based on the extend report setting right now, right, in the target folder there will be folder generated again extend report with the dd YY hour minute second extension. So that will be unique, right? Because in case you want to run, so second will change. You can add the millisecond format also. It will be date time pattern. Okay. Now if you go to the project, right, and if you just refresh it, so you could see the differences, right? In the target folder, it was originally there. Now extend report, another extend report got generated, right, which is extend report, then space, then the date time pattern is getting added, 12th March and 2022 and 17/10/17 means 5, right, 10 minutes 5 p.m. 10 minutes 17 seconds. And if you expand it, you could see this is the automation -report.html file is getting generated. Now if you take the path, you could see the current report, right? So your original report will not be getting replaced, right? If you open it, you could see the report here, right? So Facebook login based on the UAT tag, only one features file got executed, and this is your two test cases got executed, right? And these are the different tag, right? And now you can see here once feature got executed, two scenario executed, 6 steps got passed. Now you can change it, right? In the runner class, if you remove the tag or if you disable the tag, right, so all your 6 scenario will be executed now from the two features file. So but it will generate new report, right, based on the minutes and seconds. The hour will be same, but minutes and second will be changed. So it will generate a new report. So first it will try to execute all the test cases because we do not have any entered any tag. Okay, once the execution is successful, so you can get the details in the console as well that 6 scenario got executed for the two features, right? And if you expand it, the test runner, you could see from the Facebook login 4 scenario, and for the Google search home page, right, 2 scenario got executed. Now if you refresh your project, you could see here, right, another extend report got generated. So first one is 17/10/17 and second one is 17 12:05 means 5 p.m. 12 minute and 5 second. And if you expand it, you could see this is the new path got generated, right? This is the new path, the new folder, but for your file name is still same, but this is the new path, right? So if you open it from the new path, and if you open in any browser, you could see the difference here. So your original one, it is not getting replaced, and in the new one you could see this is the two features got executed, and for the first features 4 test cases, and for the second feature 2 test cases, right? If you get all the tags will be there. If you go to the report, you could see here 2 features got executed, 6 scenario and 22 pass. Now if you go to the previous one where it was based on the UT tag, it is still there. So your original report is not getting replaced or override. So all the reports will be kept in the project. It will stay in the project. So that's why any point of time, right? If you want to analyze all the previous execution, you can get the result, and any point of time with the different condition also you can generate 10 times the report, and you can share the 10 report with the respective stakeholder. So that is the way, right? You can just maintain the backup of all the report. Okay, so that's all from today's session. Thank you.